Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EEENF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, day that was all over the place, but ultimately closed on a good, solid bullish note as the price had a very impressive bounce. And the good part about that bounce was it was able to carry the price back up above that green line right there at support. So for the majority of the day, that level of support had been violated, and that was not a good thing. But like I said, late day, the price and the bulls showed up in a big way to not only, create a little bit of an upwards bounce, but the bounce was able to get up above that area of support and stay up above it, which is, not a guarantee of anything, but it does suggest that, okay, maybe the bulls, maybe things weren't as bad as what they had seemed for a bigger majority of the day. But nonetheless, that nothing really new to report in terms of the support side of things. 0.019, definitely still that level of support that you want to see hold. Like I said, was violated, but price got above it, so that remains an area of support. And then the next level would then be down there at 0.0165. So good to see that that level technically was never tested. I mean, I suppose it got pretty close right there, but never hit it exactly. And then with the bounce there, now 0.06 is actually quite a bit of ways away. But nonetheless, those are going to remain those two key levels of support. And then if there is any sort of upwards bounces to the upside, yeah, this level here still does pertain to 0.024, but I'm going to go ahead and adjust this level down because that level is not really relevant right now. And after today's price movement, it's become a little bit more apparent that that first key level to watch very closely now is going to be at 0.021. So if there is going to be any sort of bigger movements to the upside, in my opinion at least, it's all about can the price even get above 0.021? And if it can, while that doesn't guarantee anything, it does make it a little bit more valid and more commonsensical to think that, okay, yeah, that might start to produce some more upwards momentum. But as of now, yeah, things are still looking a little shaky, but to give credit's due, good solid bounce this afternoon, and let's see if the price can build upon that momentum next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.